This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must confirm your email and add a phone number first. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open your Roblox settings and go straight to security. Tap Enable two-step verification and choose SMS or an authenticator app. Follow prompts to send a verification code to your phone or to link an authenticator. This step creates the extra layer that trading requires. Make sure your device has signal and that you keep the recovery code safe. If you pick an authenticator, install a trusted app and scan the QR or manually enter the key. This avoids SMS interception risks. If you choose SMS, confirm your phone number and request the code. Enter the 6-digit code into Roblox to link the method and wait for confirmation. Once the code verifies, enable the option requiring two-step verification for trades. Make sure your time settings are correct on your device so codes sync properly. This prevents rejected codes. Complete setup by saving recovery codes somewhere secure. You'll need them if you lose access to your phone. Then decide whether to trust this device for shorter logins. Only do that on personal hardware. Test a mock trade or logout-login cycle to confirm it prompts for the code. If you get locked out, use a recovery code immediately. If that fails, contact Roblox support and provide account proof. Keep one backup phone number active to avoid service interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.